Sangha Education Center is a Long Island nonprofit created in 2019, which grew out of the Children's Sangha that was established in 2005. We are located at historic Malcolm House on the 22-acre Jericho Preserve. The Children's Sangha's mission was to plant the seeds of stewardship in children and young adults by deepening their understanding of themselves, others, and nature. We began our journey by offering educational enrichment programs for children and families, serving all of our youth, but with particular focus on those whose abilities were not being cultivated and needs were not being fully met. Now our mission at Sangha Education Center is to create a place of wonder, where our focus is to educate the whole learner, bridging the gap between academics or background knowledge and the developmental or social emotional aspects and personal needs of the individual. Sangha Education Center aims to cultivate strengths and minimize anxiety through heart-centered learning programs in which our youth develop a sense of well-being that enable life opportunities not otherwise attained. We hope to better achieve this by inspiring an interconnected understanding of self, others, and the natural world through mentoring and stewardship programs. Peer mentoring is individualized for young adults to develop different life skills and abilities, such as higher levels of social communication and executive function skills, while continuing to bolster self-esteem during college and career preparation in community settings. Our Project Stewardship program offers workshops, outings, and volunteer placements for young adults to foster exploration, learning, and to support creativity while making friends. Through this range of different skill-building programs, Sangha Education Center members look towards expanding their minds, capacities, and skills in a community with a heart-based approach to learning.